In this video, I'll show you how to change bank account information on Stripe. First, open your browser and log into your Stripe dashboard using your account credentials. Once you're inside, you will land on your main dashboard where you manage your business and payments. Next, look at the left side menu and click on Settings. After that, scroll down until you find the section called Bank Accounts and Scheduling or Payouts, depending on your account layout. This is where your current bank account details are stored. Now click on your current bank account. You will see options to edit or remove it. In most cases, Stripe requires you to remove the old bank account before adding a new one. Click Remove to delete the existing account. After that, click Add Bank Account. Now enter your new bank details carefully, including account number and account holder name exactly as shown on your bank. Make sure all information is correct to avoid payout issues. Next, Stripe may ask you to verify your identity or confirm the change through email or two-factor authentication. Complete all verification steps to continue. Once everything is confirmed, your new bank account will become the default for future payouts. You can always double-check this in the payouts section to make sure it is active. Finally, wait for your next payout or schedule update to confirm everything is working correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change bank account information on Stripe. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.